1, 2, 3.
I know,
I love you, babe. Think about you now each and every day. And when I'm gone so far away, no one thing I can say.
one thing I must say.
I love the East, I love the West. North and South, they're both the best. But I only want to go there as a guest. 'Cause I love being here with you. I love the sea, I love the shore. I love the rocks and what is more. With you there'd never be a bore. 'Cause I love being here with you. Just sitting in the shower, laughing by the hour. Life is such a breezy game. Love all kinds of weather, long as we're together. Oh, I love to hear you say my name. I love good wine, fine cuisine, candlelight. I love the scene. But baby, if you know just what I mean, I love being here with you. I love it, I love it, I love
always
with you. I'm in love. And when I'm all alone, I know I want you so much more than the sun and the sky up above. I love it, I love it, how I love being here with you. I love Ella singing, Basie's band swinging. There's something else you know. They really play it, they know how to say it. They just wind it up and let it go. Wind it up and let it go. I love the thrill of ringing calls and waiting for the applause. Baby, don't you worry, 'cause I'm still yours. I love being here with you. With you, the only one I love. Well, I love it, love it, 'cause being with you is what I love.
That's what I love. Baby, that's what I love.
Well, what a fantastic year it's been. We're here clinging on to the last few moments of our championship year. So, the phenomenal standard of singing this weekend has just been absolutely incredible. We'd like to congratulate any of the contestants and any of the performers that have crossed the stage this weekend, because it's really makes it something, and we just see the standards getting higher and higher every single year. So our year, what have we been up to? Well, quite a few bits and pieces really. We've enjoyed representing BABS at Harmony College. That was a particular high spot. We enjoyed being coached by Tim Warwick, for example. That was a fantastic experience. It was. He said I was doing an okay job, which was nice. Also the Gold Rush Show, another fantastic opportunity to sing alongside some other gold medalists on a fantastic stage in Nottingham. A couple of chorus shows and labs as well. How can I forget labs? Thank you. It's on my piece of paper. Labs, absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely loved it. Singing in Harrogate, and another fantastic experience. So I've talked a little bit about this year and what we've been up to. As a four, we've been together since 2013 when we first got together at Harmony College. We just saw if this kind of lineup with these four singers might work, and we did. We thought it was okay. It was an all right project. And we still don't know the identity of the guy who we upset. We were singing away in a corner at Harmony College, and he leant out of his bedroom window shouting, "That's really good, but I'm trying to sleep." Still don't know who he is, so please please, if you'd like to make yourself known, we'd like to buy you a pint or something. There you go. What have I done? So yeah, that's the very first song that we ever sang together is a song called Lost. Now, some of you may already know, but this weekend is going to be the last time that I'm going to be singing with the Locksmiths. And, yeah, I know. So the Locksmiths are still going to continue, and they have found somebody else to kind of continue on their journey. But what we thought was quite fitting is to perform for you a song that we've never performed before, but it was the very first song that we ever sang together, and it's going to be one of the last songs that we ever sing together. So I'll give you Lost, beautiful song.
It's no surprise that in your eyes all that I have been, all that I will be, here I go again, there I go again. And then I run from their sunshine, I run from their shadow, I run but I'm falling, and there I go lost in your eyes. 1,000 questions burn reflected in their eyes. The answers lie somewhere out of sight. This can't be wise here in your eyes. All that I have been, all that I will be, here I go again, there I go again, I'm lost in your eyes. And then I reach for a lifeline, I reach for an anchor, I reach, but I'm falling, and there I go lost in your eyes. And drifting from the shore, I feel the rising tide. The billows roll and the waves subside. In paradise, the sun will rise, and I will wait to face the skies, ever roaming in. There I go lost in your eyes, your eyes. you. It's reached our last song. It has been an amazing year. I think it's times like this, I think, that we have to look at... sorry, just like lost my train of thought there. I think I completely forgot what I was actually going to say again there. And I wish that was planned, but it wasn't planned. Some singers... no, how was I starting this song again? Because I actually have completely forgotten. Just whisper it to me for a second. Thank you. It's an emotional time for us.
We're now looking for a lead.
Yeah, I've remembered now, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Obviously, before... yeah, be myself, that is a bad thing. When we started out on this journey, we were known for quite a lot of ballads, quite a lot of heartfelt, sad, passionate ballads. But we decided once we won gold that we wanted people to really kind of understand a little bit more of the personality of the quartet, and really kind of look and to show a side that really only special people in our lives get to see. And this is that song. Yep, I've remembered now. Fishing is good.
Oh, no.
yeah. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. No, we are going to do it. You had your bit, I have my bit.
I know, but I'm leaving. Whereas this is just you being yourself.
Well, you can watch us next year. It's fine. It's no worries. Yeah, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. It's fine. We can do it. We can do it. Oh, you be quiet, boy. Oh.
How many people are you going to offend this time?
None.
All right. Blow pitch.
What now?
Yeah, blow pitch. Blow pitch. Baritones.
Upwards.
There we go. Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
Good. Good luck. Jezebel. If ever the devil was born without a pair of horns, it was you. Jezebel, it was you. If ever an angel fell, Jezebel, it was you. Jezebel, it was you. If ever a pair of eyes promised paradise, deceiving me, grieving me, leaving me blue, Jezebel, it was you. If ever the devil's plan was made to torment man, it was you. Jezebel, it was you. Twould be better had I never known a lover such as you, forsaking dreams that all for the siren song of your arms. Like a demon, love possessed me, you obsessed me constantly. What evil stars mine that my face design should be Jezebel. If ever a pair of eyes promised paradise, deceiving me, grieving me, leaving me blue, Jezebel, it was you. If ever the devil's plan was made to torment man, it was you. Night and day, every Jezebel, Jezebel.